So in this video, I'm going to go ahead and teach you my personal strategy on how to make money with CPA marketing. Now, if you have been struggling to actually be able to earn money with CPA network or any kind of CPA offer, then basically this video is for you because we're going to be able to learn step-by-step guide on how you can apply a strategy that will work for you and be able to start earning from CPA network. The number that you are seeing right here on the screen is not impressive, and the strategy that I implement in making money with CPA marketing is my personal method, and it is not confirmed anywhere. So that is why I want you to understand that you need to study the strategy and be able to logically apply this method for yourself in order for you to replicate the same process. Now, if you want to go ahead and earn with CPA marketing, you need a working strategy, and a working strategy that you can be able to use over and over again so that you can be able to get the same similar result. These people that you are seeing right over here on the screen that are also earning from this CPA network, they have a working strategy. And this strategy that they are implementing is what is giving them result every single day. What you just need in any CPA network is practically lead. Now, once you're able to get one lead, apply the same strategy, you get 2 leads, 3 leads, and 4 leads. And that's how you're going to be accumulating all the leads and you'll be able to get the desired result. All right, guys. So if you want to go ahead and join my one-on-one mentorship training course on CPA marketing, where I will hold you by hands and walk you through the exact strategy, take you by hands, and you start earning with your CPA network journey, all you need to do is to DM me on WhatsApp, and I'm going to be connecting with you in less than a few seconds. Okay, this is going to be one-on-one mentorship. All right. So now let's proceed. Okay, so the first thing you need to do to get started is create an account on any CPA network of your choice. It could be Cpagrip, it could be AdBlue Media, it could be OG Ad, Masbunty, any CPA network out there. They are all the same thing. So make sure you understand that, okay, this is the type of the offer that this particular CPA network is offering. So once you are done for the Cpagrip, you are going to come to the monetization tools. Basically, this is where you need to go ahead and create a content locker. What is a content locker? A content locker is when you are monetizing something that you have created, a digital item or a digital information that you have created. Now, monetizing it is what we call content locking. So you have to monetize it using these monetization tools. Now, the second option is offer tools. Basically, what you need to do here is you don't need to create any digital item, okay? What you need is just to go ahead and pick any offer that already have a landing page from the advertiser or the company in the United States. Then go ahead and promote that offer. Distribute the link of those offers with different strategies. And the first strategy that I always recommend is CPA self-converter, which you don't need to actually struggle much in getting people to click the link and take action. Okay. Now, once you are able to get this strategy right, then you are going to start earning with CPA network. Now, the next option is postback tools, and they will also have referral program. Of course, referral program is basically when you click my link in this video description and you register on Cpagrip. Any money you make from this Cpagrip will pay me a commission from your total earning for the month. So that is exactly how the referral program works. The payment center is where you need to enter your bank account details, like United States bank account or your PayPal account that you're going to be using to withdraw your money from the CPA network. Okay. Then after that, you are going to proceed to the next stage, which is the main thing about promoting CPA offer. Okay. That is creating a landing page, picking offer from CPA network, and then using those offers in your landing page, strategically positioning the links so that anyone who visits the landing page can easily click the link. All right. If you are using CPA self-converter tool, then you also need a landing page, but you don't need to make it fancy. I'm going to show you a good example. Coming over to the empty tab here, you're going to come over here and type site.google.com. And once you type site.google.com, you're going to enter key. What will site.google.com do for you? All right. Now, site.google.com is a free website builder where you don't need to pay a dime to create a website. So basically, you can use this website with your mobile phone or your PC to get started. Google has made it available for everyone, even if you don't want to invest on a domain or creating a website. Of course, it's expensive. So all you need to do is to click the big plus and it open an empty tab where you're going to now go ahead and design your own website by implementing your offer links. Let me show you an example of how this particular one looks like. The one I created. It's simple, but it is converting massively. So right over here, this is the first test I put here. And then I just tried to make it look realistic. So I have to put a screenshot and then I place a list of the offers that I actually want. And then after that, I proceeded by clicking on the publish button and then I copied the link of the landing page. So when a situation where you have placed multiple offers here, you don't need to be copying each of the offers whenever you want to go ahead and use the CPA self-converter tool. What you need to do is also copy one single link, which is the landing page link, housing the entire CPA offer you have selected, maybe 10, 20 or so. Maybe they are from different locations. So the next thing is to now build what we call organic traffic source. Okay. One of the best options to achieve that is if you are using Facebook, right? Or you can also go ahead and use this particular website, Quora.com. This Quora.com is an amazing platform as well. In case if you don't want to use Google site or you don't want to use Google site to build your landing page, you can also do the landing page building directly in the Quora.com. So this way you also get traffic from Quora search result. And also take note that you can also get research search results from the Google site because it's owned by Google, and search engine will automatically pick your landing page and start distributing it organically. So that is another way you can build organic traffic for the CPA offer that you are promoting. Okay. Then the next thing you need is a proxy. You need a working proxy to actually be able to set up the CPA self-converter tool, right? So I'm going to go ahead and close this up right now and then come over here to show you the proxy website that you need. My previous video, what I did was to show you how to connect your Telegram and activate 3 GB for free. Of course, go to the playlist and watch that video, okay? So I'll be able to learn how to activate free proxy with my promo code. So you can be able, without investing on this platform, you can start using their proxy to go ahead and connect your CPA self-converter tool. Now, right over here, what you need is basically go ahead and create a proxy. So over here, when you have activated, you have a traffic gigabyte, either 3 gig or 1 gig. My own is 10 gig here. Or you can fund your balance, okay? Over here at around $5 or $15, you can be able to fund your account, your main balance, so you can be able to generate unlimited proxy. You can see unlimited proxy. So come over here, click on create a proxy. Okay, create a proxy. And then to create a proxy, you have to come here and select different multiple device. And then in my own case, I always use mobile device. I will uncheck this. And then the next thing you're going to do is to select the particular country of your choice. So I choose the United States. So once you have your IP, the next thing you need is a system that you can actually configure the CPA converter to. So that will make us to come over to this particular software, okay? So this software will allow you to select the different type of proxy, but what we're using is HTTP. So all you need to do is to select HTTP option, and then the proxy you have created, paste it here, paste the port number and click on check. And then if you have a username and password, come over here and put it here. And of course it's optional, but most of the proxy, like the new one I introduced, will always give you password and the username. So the next one is the web arrow TC. Coming over here, make sure it is replaced, and the time zone is based on the IP, and then you're going to come over to location based on the IP as well, and so on. After that, click on OK, and you're going to now proceed to actually copy the organic traffic link either from the Quora or the Facebook where you pasted your landing page as well. Okay, so basically this is how you are going to be able to configure your system. If you want one-on-one guide on how you can be able to go through all of this, maybe it's overwhelming you, all you need to do is to connect with me on WhatsApp or Telegram, and I'm going to be guiding you, holding you by hands to walk you through the entire process. Okay, this is very easy for you to follow. All right, guys. So if you want me to hold you by hands and walk you through the entire process, don't forget, go ahead and connect with me on WhatsApp, and I'm going to be guiding you one-on-one. Okay, if you have not subscribed to my channel, smash the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon. This way you get notified once a new video is published. I will see you guys in my next video, guys. Peace out.